The first thing we're going to do is open as administrator a new PowerShell window. Then paste this link and press enter. This will execute a PowerShell script which will set up everything needed to run Rathina on the Windows subsystem Linux. Once it has finished, we can now start the Windows subsystem Linux. As you can see, there is a new shortcut on the desktop. We then proceed to double-click the shortcut to open the terminal, and we will see this. As you can see, a debug session has been created and we are already attached to it. The first thing I would recommend is to update the emulator. You could do the classic hit pull command, or you could use some of the new aliases I prepared. In this case, to update the emulator, we just write Athena update. Now, to compile Rathina, we will normally do something like this. But again, I added a new alias which will handle the compilation. We just need to write the Athena compile command and hit enter. This will apply the configure and the make server command. While we wait for the compilation to be finished, I am going to download the Frogor folder. It's a folder that has everything needed to run the latest publicly available raw client on the latest Rathina. And now we just wait. The Frogor folder has been downloaded and the compilation has finished. We can now run the server by typing Athena start or Athena restart. If you didn't have a raw client before like me and you just downloaded the Frogor folder, then you need to open the Open Setup and click on Apply. Otherwise, the raw client won't open. And that's it. You just need to log in with the test account. You can close the terminal and the emulator won't stop working. By the way, now you can access your Rathina folder just under your disks. And that's all. Every time you reboot your PC, the Windows subsystem Linux will kick in and if you have compiled your server, then it's gonna auto start the server. Hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments what would you like the next video to be about. Alright guys, see ya in the next one.